welcome back to my channel Mispronounced Adventures, and I'm currently standing on this frozen sea. The van's parked there on the frozen sea and we're driving on an ice road. Bit ridiculous really. So this is the Lulea ice road, and let's go back to the beginning of the day and how we got here. Well, good morning. It was a lovely toasty night in here. 21 degrees, minus 13 outside, so I'm going to put on the engine preheater this morning. The engine would probably still start, just why stress it out when it doesn't need to be stressed out. Ooh, bit of ice. Right. Engine preheater on. Bit of condensation, but I did have a shower last night, so it's a bit more water than I thought. That should all melt away though. So there's a bit of an example where I had to change the coolant. This tube thing had a bit of coolant left in it which leaked. And you can see it's frozen. Engine preheater on. So today's plan is we're going to head up to Lulea, I think it's called, and there's apparently some ice roads on the Gulf, so I might be able to drive in the ocean. They're open, and the two of them say they're rated up to 6 ton, and Yeti is 3.5 ton. So that should be fine. Cool. Well, I've heard the pump speed dialed back on the engine preheater, so let's see if it turns on. Oh, first time. And immediate engine temperature as well, which is nice. Let's get all this defrosted. So, headed north to Lulea. Hopefully go on the ice road with the van, because that's just a preposterous thing to do. And tonight the weather apps are saying it's clear skies and about minus 18. So, hopefully a chance for an aurora. Hopefully. If we don't sink into the ocean. So, roads like this morning is the first time in a few little occasions I've had less traction, where studded tyres do come in helpful. Because the road is completely clear, but there's that really light film of ice on the surface. That's where occasionally I've noticed if I put the accelerator down a little too hard in one of the lower gears, it does start to slip a little bit. Still drivable, but my braking distance is massively decreased, so I am giving myself quite a bit of space before the car in front. It's actually a lot more grip on in the snow-covered dense roads. Getting towards the ice road. On the ice road. honestly don't believe it, I'm driving on an ice road. A road which does not exist in summer because it's the ocean. Oh, I need my sunnies, this is road right. Where's my sunglasses? This is absolutely mad. Got it, the Tesla past, haven't you? 6 ton. Just pretty spectacular, isn't it? Can't believe I drove across frozen ocean or sea. Absolute mad. Let's go. Not if there's a car coming. I kind of needed the momentum. What a day. Bit ridiculous. Oh. Good job, Yeti. Oh, I love my van. And you see a lot of people name their vans. They've got character, which I think people don't get, you know. Especially self-built vans. So some of them have names for different reasons, and you put so much like blood, sweat and tears into building them, and they've just got a little mind of their own. They're their own little entity. You just want them to do well, and when they do well and they facilitate you to bloody drive on an ice road. It's just, yeah. I know it's just a machine, but it's my machine, and it's awesome. Ooh. Right, steep bit of ice road coming up to get back off onto the other island. Let's put the other camera on. Oh, it's all steep and then corner. Right, come on. Come on, Yeti. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, like it was absolute nothing. Yes. Yes, he likes her shoes.
Turn right onto Hamhamsviken, then turn left.
I'm having a heartfelt moment with the van and the camera, and thank you, Siri. So, I want to find a nice little park up for the night because it's clear skies. We're getting further and further north, so that's a good opportunity for some really nice Northern Lights viewing. I am currently near, I've said it multiple times in this video, I forgot what it's called. Lulea? I'm going to go for Lulea. Yes, that's a city or a big town. It's got lots of lights, so I'm going to have to find somewhere a little bit further out so there's minimal light pollution. But I've now been driving on all these massively snowy roads and I'm having no issues. So let's see if we can find something a little bit further out. Right, park up selected for the night. About 40 minutes drive. Should be on the coast. I was about to say on the water, but there's not going to be any water. And all being well, it should give us a reasonable view of the old Northern Lights, if there is any tonight. Should be nice. Well, the park for night did say there was a nudist beach nearby, so let's go investigate that. Nudist beach is empty. Oh. It is -14, so that might be why. Well, this is going to be the park up for the night. Last bit of the sun going down. -25. But still 19C in here. Dropped a little bit because I opened the door to take that photo. It's mad that things start to freeze when you're getting down to -21. Well, that's pretty much going to end this episode. That's an amazing park up on the edge of the Gulf, I presume. We drove an ice road and we had a little bit of northern lights last night. Just, wow, amazing day really. However, the van won't start. So, yeah. Thank you very much for joining me. If you've enjoyed what you've seen, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. And we'll hopefully get that started. Cheers. Bye.